Team Survival Log. In a simulated survival trial, 100 humans face off against a single gorilla. Each human's status is tracked over time in a single linked list, where each node contains the human's ID number and a Boolean value indicating whether they are still active, true, or have been eliminated, false. The simulator logs this list in order of enlistment. Write a function to return the filtered list of survivors, preserving the original order by removing all humans marked as eliminated from the list. Let's start by making a node class. We start out by initializing the ID variable to 0. Then we create our node class and our constructor. We have this.id equal to ID++, which will be a post increment. This.is active will be equal to true, since everybody will be true by default, so everybody will be active by default. And then we have this.next node equals null, which will then assign the next node to it. Using our node class, we create a couple new nodes. We have node 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, all equal to a new node class. Then we set the next node, right? So we have node 1, where the next node would be node 2. We have node 2, and the next node would be node 3, and so on and so forth, except for node 5, obviously, because it's at the tail of the linked list. Sorry, not the nodes, the linked list. And then we set a couple random ones to active. We have node 2, 3, and 4 as false, as is active dot equals to false. Next, we go ahead and make our linked list class, which will just have a constructor be this.head, which will point to the first node. And then we have a list active method within the class. Next, we have a little bit of code just checking to see if the first node in the linked list is active, and if it's not, we'll just set the head to the next node, and then the next node, and the next node, until we find one that is active. Next, we create a current node variable, and we initialize it to the head of the linked list. This way, we can look through the entire list from the beginning. While current node and the next node exists, we will then check if the current node.next node is active. If it is not active, then we set the current node's next node to the node after it. If not, we just set the current node to the next node, and we continue the loop. By the end of all this, you'll return the head of the linked list, which should be linked to all active participants. To see the difference, you can console log the original list head and the list.listActive head.